this is a quick video for just some extra tips for gluing down your wig if you use the Got To Be freeze spray, just because sometimes I find that it will lift up throughout the day and it's such a pain. So I just do some extra stuff to make sure it doesn't. First of all, I use some 91% alcohol just on a little cotton bud, and then I will wipe down my skin to get rid of any like excess oil, excess makeup, anything like that, just where I'm going to put the glue. If you can't get a hold of alcohol, I did get this on Amazon. It was like 10 quid and it literally lasts forever. Just use like a cleanser, not oil based obviously, so maybe just a water based cleanser. But once I've done that, I will then pick my wig. This is a full lace wig, by the way, from Eternal Wigs. So I pop her on, and then I'm going to get my glue. Let's just clip these back for a second, like so. And now I just go out like this, just like this, you know, good to go. Not. Right, let's get it on. Okay, so I will spritz, rub it in. I just use my finger. I'll exactly where my hairline is, like so. I love the noise that makes. It's so satisfying. I don't know if anyone else gets this, but sometimes my nozzle on these bottles go a bit nuts and will just spray in a totally different direction to what it's meant to be. I think it gets clogged up. Yeah, I usually do, when I want a good hold on this, I'm going to do 2 layers. So I'm going over my head again. A good tip, if you don't know where the fuck your hairline is go like this, where the wrinkles stop. That's generally where it is. And if you don't have wrinkles, well, you're very lucky. Okay, I think I've covered all the bases, so it's super shiny at the moment. Let's just give it a second to dry. This stuff does actually dry quite quick, but yeah. God, this is a look. This is a look. Right, that's feeling sticky. When I put my finger on it, it's like going like that. So let's pop him down. I'm just gonna do the middle bit first. And again, sometimes I'll go like that so I can see where it needs to go. Lay her down. Look at that. It's like poetry. Okay. Just give it a little wiggle with your fingers. And now my next good tip for just really securing this down is a little headscarf. And then I just go around like that, and I'll keep it on for maybe 2 minutes, if that, to be honest with you. It's just so it sets down, because sometimes, I don't know if you ever get like a little bubble or a like ripple in, I'm pushing it down by the way, in the lace, and it's so annoying. I'll just make sure I pull it taut at the ear bits and keep sort of wiggling that in. Okay, so yeah, 2 minutes and then I will come back. Right, I think it's been a couple of minutes and I reckon it's probably about dry. I still just rub it in just to make sure it's not going to lift throughout the day. The amount of times I've been in the office, or if you be walking down the street when it's really windy and you'll just feel it go, it's so annoying. But yeah, so that feels pretty secure. There's no bubbles anywhere, which is great. I've got a little bit showing here, but everywhere else is looking pretty good. So let's just do this bit here. And then I usually just get a comb and just sit like this for a minute. If anyone walked in right now, they would think I was mad. Cool, right, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'm not gonna lay down baby hairs or anything, but I am gonna take these clips out because it's a bit mad. Right, and then let's give it a brush. Like so. This has been a great wig, by the way. It's from Eternal Wigs and it's lovely. Really, really good quality. I've had it since probably September now and it still feels pretty much new. I did have to cut back the lace a little bit just because I had quite a bit of shedding and it was starting to go bald, but that was easy enough. So yeah, now I'll probably just run a straightener through this, but this will last all day. Like, it's not gonna, what is that? It won't lift and it's really nicely secured. It's a good hairline as well on this wig. Yeah, I hope that was helpful. Any questions, let me know. Also, I do sometimes use, when I'm out and about more, I'll use the Ghost Bond Glue, the platinum one. I'll do a video on that at some point because that's just the ultimate hold. Like, it's not going anywhere if you use that, and that is when you can sleep in it as well, and you can keep it going for a few days. But yeah, I hope that was helpful and I'll see you soon.